disaster when our luggage, of course, was overweight, which is usually always happens, right?
Typical.
Layla, baby, this is her first plane ride. Good luck to us. Well, we just made it through TSA, and that was crazy balls. Doing this with a baby is exhausting, but we're excited, and we are going to our gate. Layla's calm so far. So we just checked in and we're about to go to the gate to do the gate check. I'm exhausted already. Flying with a baby is crazy, but
I recommend it because it is so headachy that you'll love your baby more.
I know, that's true. We love her more. Now we just pray and hope she stays still throughout the whole flight. Oh, I'm nervous. All right.
Puerto Rico, I can't wait.
All right, see you guys later. So we've arrived and we've picked up our rental car and we're on our way. I was gonna record us picking up the rental car and all that stuff,
but we didn't have enough hands.
We didn't have enough hands, and then by the time we got to the rental car, we started like screaming at each other because we had a million bags. We couldn't get the car seat into the car.
And then the baby started crying, and she was tired.
Joel was sweating, I was sweating, which is why I probably look like a hot mess.
And neither one of us have had breakfast.
We're starving. We are just ready to be on the road, which we are. We're on our way now to Luquillo to get some food because we are starving.
Hay hambre en el pueblo.
And yeah, I should have recorded that craziness, but you guys don't want to see us all angry and mad. And the baby was screaming on top of that. So we were over it, but we're happy now. She was tired. She's napping in the back, and yeah, look at, we're in Puerto Rico.
Woohoo!
Layla's first vacation. Hopefully it'll be smooth sailing from here. Well, we're here at Luquillo. You can see the beach all the way over there. Let's see if I can zoom in. We're at one of the kiosks here, eating some food. Yummy, yummy. We were starving. Layla's about to eat now too, and I'm sweating already. What did we get? What did you get? What'd you get to eat, Joel?
Got some pionono there. It's good. Then we got some crab rice with some crab there and rice with the beans.
Acapulco, de carne, of course.
Obviously.
And trying to figure out where to go first. Well, we just finished eating at the Luquillo kiosk. Delicious.
Delicioso.
And now we're on our way to surprise Joel's parents.
In Fajardo, Puerto Rico.
Alright, cornball. So they don't know that we're on our way to their house. I think his Leilah's mom kind of knows, but I think she thinks we're arriving tomorrow. We didn't tell her, but for some reason she knows. Long story. Anyways, we're on our way to surprise them, and I'm sure they're gonna flip. And I'm sure they're gonna be so excited to see Leilah. And
I think more Leilah than anything.
yeah. So, see you guys in a bit. Slow down, babe. We're gonna take a left right here.
Looks familiar. Then down, so down, we take a right.
You're not gonna figure out by checking the car. You just figured out the car.
Does he know anything?
Papi, sube. No importa, sube y tú vas a averiguar. No. Yo lo sé como tú, sube.
Por fin,
Oh my goodness.
media hora después,
Dios bendiga.
Sucio, sudado, apestoso.
hasta Brown se asustó. Bendición.
Está libro de esto, bien. Te bendiga.
Mira que cosa más bella, mira qué cosa
Ay,
preciosa.
tú, qué linda.
Vente acá atrás, Jonathan, vente acá atrás.
Mira, no me extraña.
No, qué cosa bella, mira que, ay Dios mío, qué preciosa.
Doggy?
Mira,
Doggy.
mira el perro, mira.
Doggy, Doggy.
Yo sabía que tú te traías algo.
Yo no sabía que ellos venían hoy.
Tú
No, ya no
sabes.
sabía.
No,
Ella no sabía.
No decía a nadie, lo único que sabía era Jonathan.
Yo no sabía, fue que Jonathan me dijo, mami, limpia.
¡Puerto Rico!